Hello everyone, it's your sister Roland, and all I need is a few minutes to discuss what I'm making today. So I'm gonna make lentil soup. So I'm gonna make like a coconut, probably gonna make it curry. I'm gonna taste it first. If it needs some singing, then I'll make a curry coconut lentil soup. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna make some cornmeal on the side or maybe some rice on the side, because lentils are very filling. It depends on how I feel. So this is the lentil. So whenever you're dealing with dry beans, it's always best to put it in water overnight, so that the cooking process it cuts the cooking process. You see how it's like, I guess it expands it compared to how it was in the bag, in the original bag. So anytime you're dealing with dry beans, always like put it in water overnight. It basically cuts the cooking time that it should. So if it was supposed to take an hour and 30 minutes, it's gonna take maybe 45 minutes to an hour. And then another thing, use onions. Get an onion, like half an onion. You don't need a big onion. Like half onion, you could slice it, dice it, whatever is up to you. Onion and the green pepper. Cook it with the dry beans. Oh my goodness, it's gonna make your beans smell so good, and it's gonna be real good. I don't know, the both of them together with dry beans cooked together, that's delicious. If you could put a little garlic, but just the onion, like half an onion and half of a green pepper. It makes it smell so good. So that's the beginning. So like I said, I'm maybe gonna make a curry coconut lentil soup, or just a coconut lentil soup, because I want to, the curry to be, the lentils to be thickened, so the coconut milk is gonna thicken it. So that's the first part. So this is how I prepare it. So you just cut it in like big pieces, small pieces. I usually do it in big pieces because I'm not going to use it in the final cooking process. I just needed, to get that smell that is going to give it a nice smelling smell. And then I put some oil and then some salt to taste. Second part. So this is the third part of me making the lentil soup. I do not want a watery soup, so I'm going to use this as a thickener. So I got this from taking some lentils out of here. See how watery it is? Got some lentils out of here, and I blended it, and this is what I got. So it can thicken. I'm going to cook it again. It's going to thicken, and I'm going to use the coconut milk. That's another ingredient I'm going to use to thicken it also. So here is the lentil soup. I ended up putting the curry in it because I wanted some color. And I put some sweet potatoes, the orange kind. This is not my recipe. I was just trying to recreate a recipe from this vegan restaurant. They sell curry lentil soup, so that's why I made it. So this is it. It has the coconut. I did put the coconut in it anyway. So here it is. I think I'm gonna eat it like that because, yeah, it's gonna be filling. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.